Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to screenshot with 3 fingers on Poco C65 easily. Alright guys, so actually we can screenshot by pressing the volume button and the power button at the same time. But you can also guys to take a screenshot without using those button, and you can only take a screenshot by swipe down with the 3 fingers. And how to do that is very easy. And now I'll go to settings menu first, and then here you can scroll down till the bottom and you can go to additional settings. And then over there you can click for gesture and shortcut, and then you can go to take a screenshot guys. And over here you can activate for the feature slide 3 finger down. So now we can try together. I will swipe down by 3 fingers like this, and then the screenshot works guys. So yeah, here's the tutorial on how to screenshot by 3 fingers on Poco C65, and thank you so much for watching guys.